So here's a quick tip to help you get some customers off the internet for free. And this is for service-based businesses. So if you offer any kind of service, then I think you're going to like this. Now, a few days ago, the light bulb in my kitchen blew. And it's one of those tube light bulbs. So I took it out and I brought it down the street to the electrical store. And I went up to the counter and I said, I need to replace this bulb, but I want to change it to LED. And the guy said, sure, no problem, but you're going to have to make some changes to the fixture. You have to bypass this and cut this wire. And I'm looking at the guy like, there's no way I'm touching any of the wires up there. But there was another gentleman sitting down to the side and he saw the look on my face and he came over and he said, hey, if you need help with any of it, don't worry, here's my card, you give me a call. And he walked off and left it at that. Now, you know this is Jamaica, so we're not so quick to trust people. But I spoke to the guy behind the counter and he said, yeah man, the guy is in here every single day. He's a good electrician and you can work with him. Now, I've been thinking back on that whole situation and, you know, that electrician has a strong strategy. He knows that people like me walk into that store every single day and we need his services, and he wouldn't have to do much to get us as a customer. All he has to do is show up and say, yeah, I can help you with that, and customers would fall into his hands, right? Now, if you compare that to if he was to go to some crowded, let's say an event, and people are there trying to be entertained and they're socializing, and here he is walking around handing out his business cards to everybody that he sees, right? Yeah, some of those people might need his services, but he'd have much better results by going directly to where he knows there are going to be people who need his services. And I'm telling you all of this because when you promote your service on social media, that's precisely what you're doing. People are there to be entertained and to socialize. And here you come trying to tell everybody about what services you offer. Nobody cares about that. So a better approach would be for you to go to where you know people are looking for people like you. And the online equivalent of that is Google search. That's where people go when they need services. They type it into Google and they call the first business that shows up. And you don't have to sell yourself. You don't have to do anything much other than say, yeah, I can help you with that. Right? So I've created a free video to walk you through the easiest and fastest way to get your business listed at the top of Google for free. And this is the same strategy that I use to generate hundreds of customer calls for my clients without them having to pay for any advertising. So if you're interested in learning more about this strategy, it's a 3-step strategy, then there should be a button somewhere below this video. Maybe it's hovering somewhere on the screen. Just click on that and it will take you to that free video. All right. So thanks for watching and I'm wishing you all the best.